So today we have this 37 International cab in the booth. We're gonna get some L-411 on this. We had severe scale rust on the roof and down the side on the back. So we actually have been testing a new product. It is a rust remover, and we used that on this cab and it did work very well. We use that on areas that we don't want to sandblast. So we sandblasted the door jambs and things like that. Areas that I felt safe sandblasting, door jambs in the rear window opening, things like that. But obviously we don't want to blast in the middle of the roof or in the middle of this back panel. So we used L-601 rust eating gel, which is still in testing, but should be released pretty soon. Seemed to work really well. We used L-601. We did three times we used L-601, 3 processes, which we'll talk about more when the product comes out. But we did that process 3 times. It ate all the scale, all the pitting out of the roof. So between using the L-601 rust eating gel and putting L-411 on top of this, with this rust eating gel, there's no acids, no alkalis, no solvents. There is no reason to have to do a metal prep to neutralize that product. It is a citrus-based product and works very well. So we do not need to metal prep. You can, but it is not needed to, where some rust removers and paint strippers will require you to do a metal prep before epoxy. So between the L-601 and the rust encapsulation of L-411, we're gonna have this thing looking real nice. All right, so here we go, L-411, SATA 100B with a 1.6, reduced 10%. Because we're going over bare metal, I like to reduce it a little bit. We don't need all that build. So I primed this cab yesterday, bare metal, 2 coats, L-411, reduced 10% out of a 1.6. 4.4, 5.8, 3.7, 5, 4.5,